Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first, and I think that's good. You see, welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help with the channel. Yeah, but there I watch a breaking news span over the media where the pastor, the controversial pastor, Kevin something another, crash and mash up in a Jamaica. They like them try to take him out of a car, try to cut him out of a car, carry him to the hospital, you know. Me no know. I have some video here, I have some picture for share with you know, and hear you know, opinion in the comment section. You know, this is rather weird. You understand what I say? I don't understand. Well, from the other day, I see them move away with the pastor there, you know. Like, them confused whether he's a criminal or not. You understand what I say? And it look like him did all get away. You know, see, but in some way it look like nature, life, God, something else have a plan for him. Wherever you want to classify it, but look like there was another plan for him. Because obviously same punishment start here from way out, you know. Because I film picture that I see on stretcher there. And you know, car, I see man a cut out them like fireman a cut out the car door to take him out and things like that. So it look like a real emergency. You know what I mean? So some police get hurt and things like that too. It's being alleged rumored that the pastor has died. You know, we want to hope say the police they make it out alright. Because Jamaica shot a police as it is, but when we shot a pastor, we have more church and pastor and them something more than rum bar. You know, a little bit of police and police station where. Condolences to all the family and all the people who lost them loved ones and things like that still, no disrespect, but you know. At this point we have to recuperate from the best of what might be left. From what we can see so far, we can see the pastor looking capacitated. Before we go any further, let me share it with you now. Let me share the video with you now.
I pass them a try to go now. And look at them, what the police, they hold up him. They want to Trust me, that's a favor. Understand?
The cold pastor crash when the boy pastor for sickler to the police them and fuck up the police them dog. A fuck career go on in a jalan dog. Me bumbo clad. It says squad of them mash up in the car dog. God.
Yeah, that the pastor lie down the ground. Them. I don't know where him and the police them go. Like me say, me notice them treat him like say them don't know what they charge him for. Like me, I think least he should be charged with conspiracy. You know, get new chair. Least him for charged with conspiracy. And yeah, conspiracy to say the least, because him influence the man them for do what them do. You see, I see them do video with him unprofessionally. You know, see, why Jamaican police always do that? Because that wrath with you know, miscarriage of justice at any appeal. You know, see, police is not supposed to share have somebody in a custody and share certain information to the public before any form of trial ensue and thing like that. It come like a joke thing Jamaica police are dealing like so themselves they plan for Lego the money Rasta to the level of professionalism where they might apply to this whole matter here. You know, see it? You can't have the man in there so I try convince the world and the jury them say mad because of that thing that they do with a performance on a video and put up say the man are ready and attack and I give statement and hold on there and I laugh and thing like that. It was a joke thing. It's a direct disrespect, a disgrace to the professionalism Rasta. You know, see it, you know, I appreciate love that. You know, see it. And them sort of thing that like me I say, if there is, if the man them up a top star and set a standard, you can't expect get a youth for be of any standard, you know. You know, see, and you can't drive around with, vehicle load of ammunition and gun and them thing and if you just take out get a youth like that when you be an example so that get a youth can be an example, live the standard one I set. You know, see, this is very wrong and inappropriate. Them things are not acceptable. You know, see, obviously the youth, them see them things, them all just know so them can't do any type of crime and get away with it because the police them not treat it with a level of professionalism where it deserve. You know, see the video when I talk about where them have the same money in a hospital I mean in a place I talk like and I show it to the public like them are idiot. Watch and make way get back to this thing.
The 9 o'clock when the guy would have just seen caught up in front of you. You want to see your book now? Get you. You want to see your book now? Okay. I rapture you no time no. I rapture time at 9 o'clock you say man?
Rapture is the reaping.
No, but you said 9 o'clock you have open at the heart.
Rapture is raptus, which is rape, torture. That is what the rapture is. I come with salvation. I do not come to rape my people of their freedom, of their breath. You have to pay in this nation to walk your carbon footprints. If you march in this nation, you must pay. If you breathe in this nation, you must pay. Do you not understand that Pharaoh has built his great house and he is stepping on your necks? Pharaoh tried to bring me down, but I am that I am. All you people of the world, I came to you in this form. I am Silver Soil, born in Glengorf, Victoria, the year of jubilee and victory. But what happened? Oh, hospital, mat. They made my life a mat. I suffered, I bled. Look at this night when I came to call all of my sheep, the stray sheep from the 12 tribes and nation. The thunder comes, the cloud comes, and the rain comes. But you did not believe my report. I am the fountain of life. I am the Catherine Peak. I come from St. Catherine. That's why you gave me water from where I come from. St. Catherine, Jamaica is where I was born. I have fulfilled all things. At the age of 9 years old, the angel of the Lord came and spoke to this body and asked me if I will give the eternal yes. I have given the eternal yes. I came as Jonah the Warner. But they mocked me and they scoffed me, they surrounded me and they looked at me and said, who is this man? Because man, God was tabernacled in man, seed of men.
So from them level they come like so the police never intend to get no proper substantial conviction out of that because the collection of the evidence that don't look appropriate, Rasta. You know, see it. When I accept them thing that's why I'm never even going on the video and try sell it or share it or propagate it. Because at the end of the day, what? It's like you help release, like you help free a man where you think is guilty of a whole lot. Because no way, shape, or form should that man be treated in that manner. Him should be locked up on a back with every ordinary prisoner. Same way, you know, see it. I yesterday him got the madhouse where Una tribe purport saying belong. You know, see it. See me now in a car that look like a privately owned car. Like, we don't know where him go. We don't know if a privately owned car or a police unmarked car or whatever that. You know, see it. But obviously, he might go on an excursion, him and them. You know, see, at this point here, the public might not be entitled to know about any sort of movements or thing like that. If the public is ever entitled to know that, but we can't understand. Because by now, him should have settled in a stable confinement until the appropriate method applied to film thing. You know, see it. We don't really understand what I go on. There's a whole heap of unanswered question there, so for answer. You don't see it. You don't know where the police ever go with him for KFC, they might carry him go buy a burger or whatever, cause if he must spend, you know, probably the possibility of them, you know, yeah, carry him go buy them is strong. We don't know. There's so much stupidity and confusion here, so if we consider rest, like, come like say, it's never ending. You don't see it. You don't know where to start from, where to stop. You know? We just hope say the loss of life or limb damage to persons is limited. It's quite, you know, limited in another one here. But the matter is quite unique. You know, I've never seen anything like it before. I would have liked hope to get some substantial explanation later on. Because right now we don't have much to say. Like I say, to the position, the individual look incapacitated. Very much incapacitated. So we not expect the person to you know, we don't know, we're not sure what's going to happen. What's going to happen in the long run with this individual. Because they are go on and on and on and on and on. You see, doesn't look good. You know, we don't know what it is. You know, it can be anything. We just hope say, you know, cause like me said, that's the only body we see so far. So maybe that's the only one. You know, see it. And like I say, Jamaica, the police force is it's got limited personnel, so, you know. So we just hope say it work out, and later on, if we get some more information on the matter, we might revisit this thing here and expound some more upon it. I chat some more upon it. You know, see it. So we give thanks, you know, see it. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.
Big.